Welcome to Big Some Hobbies. Today I'll be making some additional changes to my Element Enduro. In my initial mods and upgrades video, I modified the body slightly to lessen the chance of tear. I also swapped out the plastic stock wheels with metal beadlock wheels and added wheel waste to the front. And finally, I also swapped out the front and rear bumpers. I then took it out for several test sessions to see how it performs. It fared really well, but I felt that there are a few other changes that will make it better. The first modification was to address this issue. On a sharp right turn, the rear of the tire will rub against the inner fenders. So I decided to trim the front fender to reduce the tire rub. Using a Sharpie, I marked in lines as to where I want to cut. I then used a curved Lexan scissor to trim it away. Then I used the Dremel with the drum sander to clean out the edges. I'm going to be adding a little bit more protection to the Lexan body by adding in a 3M tape. Here's the new look for the Element Enduro. All four fenders have been trimmed and a bit more body protection has been added by adding a 3M tape. And as you can see, the tire doesn't rub the body anymore, even under load. For second modification, I added a set of high clearance stainless steel links from Hardcore RC. Hardcore RC includes all the links required for the conversion for this truck. And I also added penard bar that is offset in geometry to help lower it further. With the high clearance links, it should help crawl over stuff much easier than the stock links. Hardcore RC also uses much stronger Traxxas rod ends with metal pillow balls, so it should provide way more strength and durability over the stock links. It's definitely an upgrade that I recommend. Third, I decided to add a bit of weight to the front by replacing the stock plastic diff cover with brass diff cover by Treal. Treal makes one of the heftiest diff cover at 84 grams, and more importantly, it comes in black that doesn't scream brass. It's an easy install. You remove 4 screws from the back of the axle, remove the diff cover, and then insert in the new one and screw back in 4 screws. Here's the brass diff cover installed. In addition to the wheel waste that I have, this should provide a down low and front weight base that should help with the climbing. Thanks for watching. With the additional changes to my Element Enduro, I can't wait to go test it out.